Hello everyone, it is March 9th, 2026, around 11:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is our severe weather overview on tomorrow, Tuesday, March 10th, 2026. Tomorrow we have two separate enhanced risks in place, one for parts of northeast Missouri, parts of central northern Illinois, and northwest Indiana, and one down here for parts of Texas. To accompany that, we have a slight risk stretching all the way from Texas all the way up here into Michigan with a tornado risk. We have a SIG 1 5% tornado risk down here in Texas, which does include the DFW Metroplex and places like Abilene and Wichita Falls. But our main concern tomorrow is going to be up here in central northern Illinois and northwest Indiana with a 10% SIG 1 tornado risk in place for parts of those areas. Also a 5% SIG 1 tornado risk in effect for parts of northwest to mid-Missouri, stretching into western Missouri, parts of central and northern Illinois, going more into northwest Indiana and northern Indiana, and a very small part of southwest Michigan. We're going to be our wind risk here is going to be a 15% wind risk. Our main risk up here is not going to be wind. We're going to be concerned about strong tornadoes up here. Our biggest wind risk will be down here in Texas, where we have a SIG 1 30% wind risk, which does get pretty close to the DFW Metroplex. We're mainly out here from parts of central and stretching a little further out to western and southern Texas. Our hail risk, we have a 30% SIG 1 risk in place for both areas in parts of northwest Missouri into mid-Missouri, central and northern Illinois, and northwestern Indiana. Those are all in SIG 1s. This SIG 1 does stretch into Kansas City, same thing for tornadoes. We also have a 30% SIG 1 hail risk down here, which just stretch into part of the DFW Metroplex. Now, that mainly remains in place for most of parts of central and western and southern Texas. Now we're going to go here to our models here for tomorrow. We aren't very sure here on models. We can only see our models can only see out here. Our models can out here right now probably see till about 10 p.m. tomorrow. As we can see, at least 12 a.m. tomorrow. Nothing really. You can see these lines by about 8 a.m. tomorrow. We can not see really much forming. We're thinking more of 3 p.m. down here in Texas is when these storms will start to form and get more severity and such. In Missouri and Illinois and Indiana up here, we're thinking more of a late night tornado threat up here. We're thinking more of a late night tornado threat up here in parts of Missouri, northwestern Missouri, central northern Illinois, and northwestern Indiana. Some of these supercells up here in Illinois can last well past dark, but avoid getting killed by wind shear and all that other cool stuff. These can go well beyond the night, setting up a nocturnal tornado threat, which would be an even worse situation. This situation is already bad in itself, but it could get worse from here. Alright, that is all the updates I have for you on this severe weather overview for tomorrow. We will likely be live tomorrow with probably about a 5 p.m. start to our stream tomorrow, covering this severe weather and tornado threat across parts of Illinois, Missouri, Indiana, and Texas. We're anticipating about a 5 p.m. start tomorrow But we will definitely be live tomorrow, and we'll also have a blog post on all of our social media pages tomorrow. Alright, that is all we have for you for this weather overview. We will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.